It's like looking at everything.
It trusts you.
Very careful.
You have bird instinct.
You got it, buddy. So go outside now. Okay. Let's go.
Look on the table.
She's tired. I know she's tired. She needs to eat something, but poor thing. She's like shocked.
It's pretty.
It's very pretty. Oh my god, it's so tiny. Look at the feet.
How did he get there?
Because the windows.
It's close.
That's so beautiful. Does she have any coloring in them, Bob?
No, it doesn't look like she's injured.
Oh wow, yeah. Okay, buddy. I'm gonna let you down now.
Put him on the branch, maybe. Oh.
Should I put her on the calamansi tree?
Yeah.
What?
I'll put her on the calamansi. You wanna sit on the calamansi tree? Here, maybe here. That's a good spot. Here.
Wanna go?
Do you wanna step on that? Here, go to your
Your
friends.
partner is calling you.
Come on.
Go.
She's tired.
Oh, she's like doesn't want to leave. Here, come on, perch up on that.
It won't fly?
No, I think it's too tired. They have to like eat every like second or something, every 10 seconds.
Yes, at the flowers. It's what
Do
Can
you
you put her on a
want to?
branch?
it doesn't
It
eat
won't-
bread.
Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Oh. Here, I'm gonna just perch you up on that. Oh, there you go.